చాలా మంది స్టార్స్ ఎన్ని మూవీస్ చేసినా కొన్ని సినిమాలతో ప్రేక్షకుల గుండెల్లో చెరగని ముద్ర వేస్తారు. అదేవిధంగా కంచె మూవీతో ప్రేక్షకుల గుండెల్లో కంచె వేశారని చెప్పుకోవచ్చు ప్రగ్యా జైస్వాల్. సో మనకి కంచె అనగానే ప్రగ్యా గుర్తొస్తుంది, ప్రగ్యా అనగానే కంచె మూవీ గుర్తొస్తుంది. ఇప్పుడు మరోసారి అఖండ మూవీతో మన ముందుకు రాబోతున్నారు. మరి ఈ సినిమాతో ఎలాంటి ఐడెంటిటీ క్రియేట్ చేసుకోబోతున్నారు, ఎలా అలరించబోతున్నారు ప్రేక్షకులని తన మాటల్లోనే తెలుసుకుందాం. ఎస్, ప్రగ్యా జైస్వాల్ మనతో ఉన్నారు, తనతో మాట్లాడదాం. హాయ్ ప్రగ్యా, హౌ ఆర్ యూ?
Hi, very good. How are you?
ఐఎమ్ టూ గుడ్, థ్యాంక్ యూ. సో ప్రగ్యా, పీపుల్ రిమెంబర్ యూ ఆల్వేస్ విత్ కంచె మూవీ. కంచె అనగానే ప్రగ్యా అంటారు, ప్రగ్యా అనగానే కంచె అంటారు. యూ డిడ్ సో మెనీ మూవీస్ ఇన్ తెలుగు, ఈవెన్ దో పీపుల్ రికగ్నైజ్ యూ విత్ కంచె అని ఎందుకని అంటే వాట్ యూ సే?
Kanche, see what happens is when I feel audience sees a person for the first time. First movie impression I feel is a lasting impression if it's a good film and a strong role. And Kanche was that film, you know, that Kanche won a national award. It gave me best debut award. So it was an amazing script and everything. So I feel if people can remember you with your work, I think that's the greatest compliment for an actor, and I'm just grateful that that movie left such a mark and such an impression that till date I'm the Kanche girl. So I think it's a great compliment.
ఓకే, ఇప్పుడు ఈ కాంప్లిమెంట్ చేంజ్ అవుతుంది అనుకోవచ్చా? కెన్ వి ఎక్స్పెక్ట్ దట్ పీపుల్ రికగ్నైజ్ యూ విత్ అఖండ?
Yes, I hope so. Fingers crossed.
ఓకే, సో వాట్ ఈస్ యువర్ రోల్ ఇన్ దిస్ మూవీ?
In Akhanda, I'm playing an IAS officer. It's a very different and unique role and something that I've never done before. Something that needed me to transform myself. There's a total makeover. So Pragya does not look like the Pragya from any of the previous films. So it's a look that is designed by Boyapati sir. He worked very hard to make sure Pragya is looking very different but also convincing as an IAS officer. So we did a lot of hard work, a lot of prep, and I'm very excited for people to watch it on screen.
Okay, actually how it has been happened, how it's this project has been started, and when you heard about this project and first time Boyapati garu మీకు చెప్పినప్పుడు బాలయ్య మీ పక్కకు అన్నప్పుడు మీ ఫీలింగ్ ఏంటి?
I got a call from Boyapati sir, I think exactly 1 year ago, something like that.
Okay.
And he didn't say anything. He just said, Pragya, come here for a narration for the next film. In the news, you know which film is going on. I'm like, sir, current film or next film? Because the film started long time ago. He's like, Pragya, current film. I was like, sir, with Balakrishna, sir. He's like, you just come, ma.
You're scared.
But when he explained the story to me, there was this mutual trust and understanding that, I mean, I trust Boyapati sir in his direction. I think he is a fantastic director. I've worked with him before.
Jai Janaki
So
Naika.
that trust is there. He said, Pragya, just trust me. I have a great role for you. And I think you will be able to do justice to the role. And I saw that conviction and faith in him, and I thought that, okay, I have to go for it. Also, after the pandemic, I think I was itching to go back to shoot. I was itching to work and shoot for a film, and I think it's a fresh start for me now. It's such a big film. Working with Boyapati sir, Balakrishna sir is the greatest opportunity. You know, this combination is like a hit. It's considered a blockbuster even before they started shooting for the film. You know, it was called BB3. So when I was going to be a part of BB3, I was just thrilled and very, very grateful.
Okay, first can you share your first day experience with Balayya sir?
First day experience was very fascinating. As everybody knows in the audience that Balakrishna sir believes in the timing. He's very punctual and there's always some muhurtam that he follows. So we left for shoot at 8:02 a.m. which was very amazing.
Okay.
The first shot had to be a certain time exactly. So I was kind of introduced to a brand new world, and I was a little bit nervous and scared. But the moment I met him, he was so happy and positive and encouraging. Pragya, how are you? I've seen your work in Kanche. You're such a good actor. I love that film. So instantly you start feeling comfortable. So he made me comfortable in like 2 minutes, and then all the hesitation, fear went away and I just was focusing on my work.
Okay, that's nice. You didn't even forget the timing also.
Yes, it too I can never forget because it was something very unique. I've not experienced that before.
Okay, so you spoke very well about Balaya sir in
Yes.
pre-release function.
Yes.
So tana energy levels గురించి చాలా చెప్పారు.
Yes.
సో షూట్స్ లో ఎట్లా ఉంటారు బాలయ్య సార్?
Oh my God, shoots also. Balakrishna sir's work ethics are something that should be. He's like a role model. He is so punctual. He's so disciplined. He's so hardworking. Despite all of this, these are still standard qualities. He just comes in with this aura. There are things that words cannot describe. There's this aura and positive energy every time he walks in on set, and everyone is happy and jovial and cracking jokes. So he makes the atmosphere really light. So when there is no pressure or stress, you can do your best. So I just feel like I had the best experience of shooting in a film. The best experience is Akhanda, because the entire team, crew, Balakrishna sir, just so much positivity and good energy was there every day on set. That I
Okay.
think I really enjoyed shooting for the film.
జనరలీ ఇలాంటి పీపుల్ని మనం చూసినప్పుడు వీ వుడ్ లైక్ టు లెర్న్ సంథింగ్ విచ్ ఈస్ డిఫరెంట్ దట్ వీ డోంట్ హ్యావ్ అండ్ వాళ్ళలో ఉన్నవి గుడ్ క్వాలిటీస్. సో డిడ్ యూ ఫీల్ ఎవర్ దట్ క్వాలిటీ ఫ్రమ్ బాలయ్య సార్ యూ వుడ్ లైక్ టు లెర్న్?
Every day, so much to observe and learn from him. I think if you have been in the film industry for so long and you're still successful, means you're doing something right. It is definitely so many qualities. I don't know where to begin. It's such a long list. He's always on time or before time. He will wake up at 3 o'clock and work out and come for his role, like come for shoot. And I mean, the camera comes on and he transforms himself into a different person. As soon as it's off, that switch on, switch off. And his dedication towards cinema. And when we were even shooting the dance song Jai Balaya, he came even for rehearsals, you know, and he was rehearsing for hours and hours. He got a little injury, he still kept dancing.
Yeah.
So his dedication and commitment and hard work is top notch. So many qualities. I mean, I think I can give an entire interview about the qualities then.
Okay, here also so many fans are there for Balaya dance, and you have an experience of dance too with him.
Yes.
So ఆ ఎక్స్పీరియన్స్ ఎట్లా ఉంది, ఎట్లా ఎంజాయ్ చేశారు షూట్స్ లో?
Oh, the dance song that I did with Balakrishna sir, Jai Balaya song, is the most fun part of shooting for Akhanda. I really enjoy dancing. So I was personally having a lot of fun. And then to have Bala sir, who's so enthusiastic, he's actually very young at heart, and he's just like, come on, and like, you know, he would come and cheer up all the back dancers and everyone. So he would come and there would just be this crazy energy on set every day, and he would practice his steps also till we get it right, you know. And even if something is difficult, what I learnt is that he never asked the choreographer to change any step.
Okay.
Exactly what was choreographed and planned. Sometimes some steps are not very easy for everyone. Something will be easy for you, something might be easy for me. But he's like, if this is what the director and choreographer have decided, I will do it. And he gave it his 100%. So I respect that commitment and that sincerity.
Okay.
You know,
Okay.
at his stature, he can just say, give me another step,
But he
something
can't.
else. But he did not. He will like, I will keep doing it till we get it right. So I feel that's commendable.
Okay.
That's
nice.
a great quality.
Okay.
It's easy for him. He'll just say, okay, give me another step. Nothing.
No.
But he did not. So that commitment, sincerity, I feel is inspirational. It's
Okay.
inspiring.
రైట్, నైస్. సో మీ క్యారెక్టర్ గురించి మీకు చెప్పినప్పుడు, అంటే మీరు చెప్పారు ఇంతకు ముందు చేసిన క్యారెక్టర్స్తో ఎక్కడ కనెక్ట్ కాలేదు, దిస్ ఇస్ టోటలీ డిఫరెంట్ అని. సో మీకు ఎక్కడ కనెక్ట్ అయింది ఈ క్యారెక్టర్?
To be honest, it wasn't a very easy character to play. I had many challenging days because it's a character that you have to where it's a very dignified character. Body language, mannerisms, walking, talking, everything is different. And yeah, so I had some challenging days, but Boyapati sir and the direction team and the entire team was with me, and they believed in me. I feel some days more than I believed in myself, and made it like comfortable and smooth and an enjoyable experience. So
Okay.
that's how
Okay,
I
so-
sailed through.
ఓకే దిస్ ఇస్ ద సెకండ్ మూవీ విత్ బోయపాటి నో
Yes.
సో తనలో మీకు తన డైరెక్షన్ గురించి అడిగితే ఏం చెప్తారు, ఏం నచ్చుతుంది తన డైరెక్షన్లో మీకు?
Boyapati sir, I have to say, he is one of my favorite directors. His vision, his clarity and conviction is something that I've never seen before. He knows exactly what he wants in every scene, every shot, and you have to give him that. And he will help you be the best on shoot every day. He is the most encouraging person, and he's the driving force of the entire unit. I feel like he's one man army. That one person, the captain of the ship, has to be strong, and he's that. And whether it comes to emotional scenes, whether it comes to action, he knows it all. He knows the techniques, he knows how it's to be done, he knows frames, everything. He's so knowledgeable and he's so clear, and his conviction about the story. Some story, if somebody else is telling you, you may be like, okay, maybe not. When Boyapati sir is telling you, you believe that world, you believe that story.
Okay.
So I think working with him has been one of the best experiences of my life, and I'm just grateful for this opportunity to be a part of the film, and I loved working with him both the times that I worked with him.
ఓకే నైస్. సో తమన్ కూడా మంచి మ్యూజిక్ అందించారు ఈ మూవీకి. సో
Yes.
సాంగ్స్ కొన్ని విజువలైజ్డ్ సాంగ్ ఒకటి వచ్చింది బాలయ్య, అది ఇంకొకటి రాలేదు, బట్ యు ఆర్ లుకింగ్ గ్రేట్ ఇన్ దట్ సాంగ్. సో విచ్ సాంగ్ డూ యూ లైక్ మోస్ట్ ఇన్ దిస్ మూవీ?
It's hard to tell. Adiga Adiga
Adiga
is
Adiga,
a
yeah.
chala soft romantic melody song, beautiful, and the other song is complete opposite. Jay Balia song is a peppy dance number, full energy. Both the songs are beautiful, but personally, because I love dancing, I
Okay.
enjoyed Jay Balia's shoot a lot more.
Okay, so you shared screen with so many big heroes in this movie, like శ్రీకాంత్, జగపతి బాబు,
Yes.
చాలా మంది ఉన్నారు ఈ మూవీలో. సో వాళ్ళతో స్క్రీన్ షేర్ చేసుకున్నారు కదా, ఆ ఎక్స్పీరియన్స్ ఎట్లా ఉంది?
There are so many important characters in the film that we all have not shot every scene. Like, I have not got a chance to shoot with
శ్రీకాంత్ గారు.
Shrikant sir. I have shot with Jagpati Babu sir for a few days. So Jagpati Babu sir I've worked with before also in Jai Janki Nayaka.
yeah.
So that little comfort was there because I know him, I worked with
Yeah,
him. So wonderful experience. He's a great actor. Boyapati sir has transformed everyone. Shrikant sir is looking like a different person. Jagpati Babu sir is unrecognizable. I am looking like a different person. So everyone has had a kind of a makeover. You know, the first day I saw Jagpati Babu sir, I could not recognize him, and suddenly after 5 minutes when I heard his voice, I'm like, sir, it's you.
Okay.
And he's like, Pragya, you didn't see me.
Okay.
So great experience working with everybody. There is a lovely actor called Vijay Chandrasekhar ma'am. She is playing a very important role in the film. Working with her has been wonderful. She was like my friend and colleague and little like friend also, but like mother also. Very
Okay.
caring, lovely working with her. Purna,
Purna,
I
yeah.
shot a little bit with her as well. Lovely girl, great experience working with her. So we all have shot with different people. Not all of us are together at any point of time.
Okay.
So the actors that I worked with in the film, I really enjoyed and was a great experience.
Okay, nice. So you're looking so confident because before releasing a movie, we can see a little bit nervous and tension in hero's face. But you're not looking like that. So what is that point? Because it's Akhanda.
I
and
think
Bala-
this film is the high point in everyone's life right now. All of us, everyone in the team is so excited and so pumped, and we have been anxiously waiting for a release date for quite a few months now, you know, because of the pandemic. Things kept changing, release date kept changing. Finally we're coming on the 2nd of October, and we are all feeling very positive about it. So I feel the confidence comes from there. We know we have done our best, and we also, I truly trust the director. I feel he knows the pulse of his audience. So somewhere I feel like we've got it right. And I feel that people are going to enjoy the film and enjoy our work. So
Yeah, definitely, because positive vibrations has been seen
Yes.
yesterday in pre-release function.
Yes.
Okay, nice. Right, we can talk about the pandemic situation. You got second time also the COVID, no? So how it happened? Didn't you scared that time, even having vaccinated?
yeah, it was a bit shocking. I got it suddenly. After the shoot, after the last day of shoot of Akhanda,
Okay.
I went back, and after a few days I tested positive. So it could have been on the way traveling something. But I just feel lucky that
You
during the
finished
shoot
it.
there was no disturbance.
Yeah.
All of us were fit and fine and healthy and happy, and our work could go on smoothly. Because you know, you will feel guilty if something happens wrong because of
Definitely.
you. So during the shoot we were taking all the safety precautions, taking all the care. Boy Pati sir personally is very, very caring about everyone on set. So he was used to personally make sure, like, Babu, don't sit there, Babu this, and but Pragya, no, don't touch, no. So personally he would observe every single person, and it's a big crew. So during the shoot we took utmost care for health and safety and everything, but still sometimes unfortunate things happen. It happened.
Yeah,
it's over now.
it's over now.
And I'm happy I'm back here in Hyderabad. I'm promoting the film. It's going to release in no time, so just excited and grateful.
ఓకే నైస్. సో అఖండకి ముందు బిఫోర్ మీరు తెలుగు స్క్రిప్ట్స్ ఏవి వినలేదా? ఇదే ఫస్ట్?
We're talking, I'm hearing some stuff, but let's see. Soon, I think after Akhanda releases, we'll finalize something.
బిఫోర్ దాట్ అఖండ, డింట్ యూ హియర్ ఎనీ స్టోరీస్ ఇన్ తెలుగు మూవీ?
Before Akhanda, actually since 1 year I'm doing only Akhanda.
ఓకే. సిన్స్
Since 1 year I'm doing only Akhanda.
Before 1 year I'm
And
asking.
before 1 year was lockdown.
Ah,
for
okay,
almost
okay.
1 year. So,
Okay.
since before Akhanda, the first film I heard after lockdown is Akhanda. And that is the film that is releasing now. And now
Okay.
there will be conversation only for after Akhanda.
ఓకే. సో ఇది ఎట్లాంటి బ్రేక్ ఇస్తుందని అనుకుంటున్నారు ఈ అఖండ? సో విచ్ టైప్ ఆఫ్ బ్రేక్ యూ విల్ గెట్ ఇన్ టాలీవుడ్ యూ ఫీలింగ్?
I don't know. See, now I've realized after this little journey I've had in my career that all you have to do is do your best. Do your best every single day of your work. Work hard, be disciplined, be punctual, all that, and then leave it. When something is meant for you, it will come to you at the right time. And if
Okay.
something is not meant for you, no matter what you do,
సో
you are not going to get it. Yeah, I'm just hoping for the best. You just have to be happy and grateful, because during the pandemic we realized there's only that much that you need to be happy.
ఓకే.
So success will come whenever it has to come. You
Yes,
just
that's
give it your best every day.
Okay,
I
that's
just
nice.
feel like that.
Okay, we heard that you got a chance with Salman Khan in Bollywood. Is it true?
Yes, I mean I shot for a film, but I'm not sure what's happening. Something unfortunate has happened with the film, as in my
Okay,
part
okay,
is
okay.
edited out right now, I think.
Okay, that's okay, no problem. Cool, just we have to leave it on fate.
Yeah,
Of course.
I just leave everything to God now. Go do your work. After that, when it's not in your hands, then it's not in your hands.
That's it.
Leave it.
Okay, so what is in other woods in Tamil and Malayalam?
Let's see. I think some good offers should come after Akhanda release. So hoping and praying for the best.
Okay, so you worked with juniors and seniors.
Yes.
Is any difference is there working with juniors and seniors?
Most definitely, but it's not more about junior and senior. It's more about different people.
Okay.
Working with everyone is a completely different experience. Every single person, they all have their strengths and weaknesses. I see mostly only strengths because I'm at work. But yeah, there's a stark difference between every single person, and especially working with Balakrishna sir now, when I have worked with so many other slightly younger heroes, is different, because the gravity that comes with a certain amount of experience is something else.
Okay.
You know, which I saw when I was shooting with Bala sir, that every single time he came on set, the whole atmosphere, the way it changed is fascinating. I was like, I've never seen that before. So I think it comes with age and experience and
True.
that aura. In the beginning, I think we're still finding our ways, becoming who we are. He's already there. He's made it.
Have you
So it's a
seen
different aura.
Balaya sir movies before accepting this movie?
Yes, I saw Simha and Legend.
Simha and Legend have you seen?
But not before accepting. I've seen it from before only.
Okay, okay. So
Terrific combination, no? So that's why I was like, I have to just sign this film closing my eyes. I don't even have to ask any question.
okay. So if I ask the who will be your favorite actor, not Balaya sir, except Balaya sir. So with whom you would like to act next movie?
There's a long list.
Your
I
favorite
don't know.
hero in Tollywood, it means.
My favorite, I have a lot of favorites. I have a long list, but
Yeah.
I
Number
mean,
1 and 2, 3, you can have
the
a
order,
names
there's
also,
no
no?
order like that without any preference. I mean, I would love to work with Allu Arjun, Ram Charan, Prabhas,
Okay.
Pawan Kalyan
All
sir, Junior NTR, Mahesh Babu sir. So yeah, these are
All
the people
star heroes.
I would love to work with.
Okay.
But personally, I feel like Bunny is my favorite hero because
Okay.
he's a great person as well. I know him. So I feel he's a fantastic actor and a great person. And I think working with him would be a lot of fun.
ఓకే రైట్ ఇంకా మీ అప్కమింగ్ ప్రాజెక్ట్స్ ఏంటి ఇంకా ఇప్పుడు ఏమైనా సైన్ చేశారా
I will tell you when it's confirmed.
ఓకే సో ఫైనలీ వాట్ వుడ్ యూ లైక్ టు సే టు ద ఆడియన్స్ అబౌట్ ద మూవీ
Our film Makhanda is releasing in the theatres on the 2nd of December. Please go and watch it in the theatres near you with your family and friends and everyone that you can tag along. And I promise you, you're going to really enjoy it. It's an action-packed, high on emotions, family entertainer, and I'm sure you're going to love it. So please watch it in the theatres on the 2nd of December and show us some love.
Right. Yeah, we forgot to ask a few more questions to you.
Oh,
actually,
okay.
So many celebrities are working in OTT films also they're doing.
Yes.
So would you like to act in OTT and web series?
I don't think I have any objection to that. OTT is the future. We realized during the pandemic that watching a film at home or on the phone or in a laptop or iPad is very easy, convenient, and sometimes when you can't go to the theatres is the next best options, and we don't know what the future is. So OTT is definitely a very important medium today and going forward. So if I do get a really nice script and a fantastic role, why not? So
Okay.
it has to be a good script because now there's OTT, there are different kinds of platforms, all sorts of content. So if I get something that's right for me,
Okay, we
why
have seen
not?
few videos of your fitness videos. So how do you spend your time for fitness? How much time do you spend every day?
I'm actually biologically only thin. Thin
Okay.
and tall. But I enjoy working out, that's why I work out.
Okay.
It's not like I have to work out because I have to lose weight.
Okay.
I don't
Just
put on weight anyway, even
Okay.
if I eat
That's
all
God
day.
gift, no?
Touch wood, I'm lucky. But I really enjoy it because it's my stress buster.
Okay.
And it just makes me feel so positive and
Okay.
excited for the day. So I enjoy working out because of the adrenaline rush.
Acha, acha. Okay. Okay, then how do you spend your time when you get free time? Where you
Oh, when I get free time, I'm a lazy girl.
lazy.
Lazy means I'll still wake up around say 7:38 and I'll go to the gym and
Okay.
I'll come back, start the day comfortably. But there's actually, I say lazy, but there's actually more work when you're not shooting than when you're shooting. At least when you're shooting, you go straight to shoot and that's all you do all day. But when you're not shooting, there are 100 things to do. So I enjoy watching movies, reading some books. I have a proper daily routine when I'm not shooting, so I'm very disciplined actually. I'm saying lazy and all, I want to be lazy, but I'm actually not lazy.
Okay.
That's my wishful
Okay.
that's just being wishful, yeah.
Okay.
So I just go to the gym and I spend time with family and I watch movies and I following up on work and social media, which is very important in today's time. So all of these things occupy me,
Okay.
and that's how I spend my time.
Okay, right. In this pandemic situation, when we did an interviews with celebrities, they said that they learned something. They got to know something about the life and the movies. So, if you are asked that what you learned in pandemic situation, how you felt, means what you say?
The biggest lesson that I learned during pandemic is just gratitude. You know, I feel like the most important things in life are the smallest things that we neglect on in every day. When we are busy working, running from one place to another, we forget to spend time with family. We forget to be grateful for the food that we are eating. We forget that there are people who are working for us day and night, the maids, the house help, the cleaners, you know, everybody who's making life so easy for us. We just forget about it because we are so focused on reaching our goals. So pandemic taught me that there is so much to be grateful for every single day. Even the day you think is a bad day is actually a magical day and a phenomenal day for maybe another person. You're just lucky you have all these resources and so many luxuries of life. So I just realized the biggest lesson for me was pandemic. During the pandemic was gratitude, and I think if a person is gratitude, the person will be the happiest, will be successful, and will do the best they can in whatever they do. So whether it comes to films or whether you're in any other industry, I feel if you're a grateful person, you will truly be a successful person.
Nice talking to you, Pragya. It was very nice. You're talking great, you know, great words has been told today with you.
Thank you.
ఎనీవే అఖండ మూవీ డిసెంబర్ 2nd కి రిలీజ్ కాబోతుంది. ఐ విష్ యూ గుడ్ లక్. ఇది ఒక మంచి బ్రేక్ కావాలి
Thank
మీకు.
you.
ఇంకా టాలీవుడ్ లో చాలా పెద్ద పెద్ద మీ ఎవరైతే ఉన్నారో ఫేవరెట్ హీరోస్, స్టార్ హీరోస్ వాళ్ళతో వర్క్ చేయాలని కోరుకుంటూ ఐ విష్ యూ గుడ్ లక్ అండ్ ఆల్ ద బెస్ట్.
Thank you so much.